back to Recipe Channel, your connections to China. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. In today's video, we are going to do an unboxing and testing and also a quick review of this new Realme 10 Pro Plus. So stay tuned. Okay guys, and we're back. I hope everyone's doing great, and today I'm so excited because finally the Realme 10 Pro Plus has arrived, and I just got back from the shop and they gave me this freebies or giveaway or a gift. And first, let's unbox this thing. Last time I also received a gift from Xiaomi when I did the unboxing of the Redmi 12 Pro. Okay, let's see what gift they have. Oh, okay, so it's a little bit the same. They also gave me a free what's this, water bottle, and I feel like it's okay, not so bad, but the quality is not as good as the the Xiaomi water bottle. This one looks a little cheaper, and it's very plasticky thing. The Xiaomi is kind of metallic look, and the finishings is very very nice. But this one is okay, can't complain. It's free, and they also gave me free earphone. It's not wireless, okay, and also phone holder, and another one here. Yeah, another phone holder. So yeah, thank you Realme for this nice gift. So this is the box, guys, of the new Realme 10 Pro Plus. This is the top view. Okay, I like the yellow accent here. So it says Realme 10 Pro Plus and 5G. The top is empty or plain, and here is the specifications about the product. And this is the side. It says Realme, and on the other side it says Realme 10 Pro Plus. And here is at the bottom some QR codes that you can scan. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So anyway, guys, let's open up this thing now. Okay. So here it is, guys. You ready? Da-da-da-dun. Okay. So pretty much the same with Redmi. They also have this little box at the top. So let's see what's inside this little box. How do you open this up? Okay, here. Okay, so what we got here. So we got the ejectors tool, some paperwork. Okay, 2 of them, and of course the free jelly case or free jelly clear case. And this time it's not it has a touch of grayish. It's not really that clear, it's like smoky. Okay, can you see that, guys? So that's what's inside this little box. And here is the phone itself, guys. I'll set that aside first. And of course, we have the here 67 watts fast charger. Okay. Oh, it has a little. It has something here in the middle. I think this is for your fingers to easily pull out the outlet. And of course, we have this 1 meter long USB Type-C cable. All right, guys, so let's have a quick review. So these are the contents of the box, guys. The clear jelly case, the paperwork, the ejectors tool, the USB Type-C cable line, the 67 watts fast charger, and the phone unit itself. Okay. Now we're going to check out the phone unit itself. So here we go. So I think most phones, most budget phones right now are covered with this kind of plastic, just like, you know, Redmi's Note 12 Pro. So here it is, guys. This is the front of the phone, and this is the back. First, let's pull off this sticker. Okay. Wow, I can say that looks nice, guys. Look at that. So the back of this phone creates special, you know, reaction to the light depending on how the light reflects on it. So right now it's like sun ray. You see that? And when it's like that, you can see some like glitters. First impression, it's cool. I chose this color because it's kind of different than the others. So the Realme 10 Pro lineup have, you know, they have 3 colors. One is this silvery color, the other one is blue color and black. So I chose this color. Wow, look at that, guys. Very unique color scheme and very cool looking phone. By the way, guys, the Realme 10 Pro Plus has this curvy, you know, sides. Unlike the Pro version, it's boxy and flat sidings. This is the left side of the phone. It's, you know, all plain, nothing, no special buttons whatsoever. And on the right side here, you can see two kinds of buttons. One is the power button here, okay? So the Pro Plus version, guys, doesn't have the side mounted fingerprint scanner. The Pro version has the side mounted fingerprint scanner. This model, guys, the Pro Plus version, has the under display, you know, fingerprint scanner. And anyway, let's go on. So this is the power button, and this is the volume rocker, guys, here. So volume up, volume down. So going to the top of the phone, guys, you will see that it has this speaker grill here. So this phone has 2 speakers, the top and at the bottom, okay? So this is one of the stereo speakers. Unfortunately, I doubt that this has an IR blaster. So this is the microphone. I think the Pro version doesn't have any IR blaster. Unlike the Xiaomi Pro lineup, they have IR blaster. So just 2 special features at the top, guys. And going down to the bottom, you will see the what do you call this? The SIM card tray. Wait up, I'm gonna show you. Okay, it opened up. Oh, so this is the SIM card tray 1. Okay, SIM 2. But the Pro version, guys, it has a special micro SD card slot. But I think the Pro Plus version doesn't have special micro SD card slot. Okay, so that's the SIM card. And this is the microphone and the USB Type-C port, as you can see, guys. Okay, and the loudspeaker grill at the bottom. Let's try to check out this phone's back. So this is the main camera. It has 108 megapixel. This one big circle here, guys, has 2 cameras in it. The macro snapper and the ultra wide cam. Okay, the ultra wide has 8 megapixel and the macro snapper has 2 megapixel, and it has this LED flash light. Okay, and we can see here that it has the Realme branding on this side, just like Redmi, on this side as well. Okay guys, so let's turn on the phone and let's see. Okay, it says Realme powered by Android. Set up the phone. Place your finger at the sensor. Okay guys, so this is how you set up your fingerprint scanner. Navigation, let's try gestures. Next. And there we go. So we have just finished setting up the phone, guys. So yeah, so here is about my device, guys. So it says Realme 10 Pro Plus. The storage available is 256 GB. Model RMN blah blah blah. So it has a MediaTek Dimensity 1080, the newest chipset from MediaTek. And the battery capacity is 5,000 milliamp. The screen size is 6.7 inches. The RAM is 12. So that's pretty much the overall specs of this new phone. Yeah, so looks pretty nice. And it has an under display fingerprint scanner, optical, okay? So yeah, unlike the Pro version of the Redmi, it's side mounted. Okay guys, now I have just finished installing some of the apps that I needed. So let's check out how's the sound quality of this phone. As you know, this has dual stereo speaker. So let's check it out, guys. Let's have a sound test. So that's the full volume. Let's try another one, guys. Okay guys, so yeah, that's the sound test of this phone. I find it like there's not much bass in the sound, yeah, compared to Redmi's. Now shooting at 720p at 30 frames per second, anti-shake turned off. Now I have turned on the anti-shake feature at 720p at 30 frames per second. Shooting at 720p at 60 frames per second, anti-shake turned off. So 720p at 60 frames per second, anti-shake is turned on. Okay guys, so I'm shooting at 1080p at 30 frames per second, and the anti-shake is off. And now guys, I'm shooting at 1080p at 30 frames per second, and the ultra steady or anti-shake is turned on. Okay guys, now I'm shooting at 1080p at 60 frames per second, and the ultra steady or anti-shake is turned off. And now guys, I'm shooting at 1080p at 60 frames per second, and the anti-shake is turned on. Okay guys, now I'm shooting at 4K at 30 frames per second, and the anti-shake or the ultra steady feature is off. Okay guys, now I have turned on the anti-shake or ultra steady feature of this phone, shooting at 4K at 30 frames per second, and just walking around here the apartment complex. Okay guys, so this is the ultra wide camera.